Hey doodlers, I'm Doodle Dog. Grab a pencil and let's draw together. Today we're going to draw a cute puppy. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start right about here on the page, and we're going to start by drawing the top of the puppy's head like this. Over here, just an arching line, and we'll stop right about there. Okay, now we're going to do the ears. So back where we started, we're going to draw a line up like this, and it's going to curve over and then curve around. It's kind of like a wobbly rectangle, and then go back up and end right about there. Now let's do the other ear. So we're going to start over here, and we're going to go up and over here, and then we'll curve down and back up and stop there and leave a little space there. Okay, let's draw the bottom of the puppy's face or head here. So starting over here, we'll just do a curving line down and around and back up like that. All right, let's do the face. So we'll start by doing the eyes. So right here, we'll do a circle for one of the eyes, like that. And we'll do another circle over here for the other eye, like that. And let's do some highlights inside those eyes. And we'll do a smaller circle here and a smaller circle here. And maybe even an even smaller circle on this side and one on this side like that. All right, let's color those in. Okay, let's do the eyebrows. So we're just going to do a curved line on top and a curved line on top like that. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. All right, let's do the puppy's nose now, and we'll make this kind of like an oval, but it has a little bit of a point to it. And then we'll do a line across like this for a highlight on top of the nose, and we'll color it in black like that. Okay, let's do the muzzle now. It's just a curved line down like that with a little cheek line, and then a curved line up like that with a little cheek line. And I'm going to be silly. I'm going to have this puppy's tongue sticking out. So let's draw the tongue like this, down, and then we'll draw a little tongue line down like that. Okay, let's draw the collar on this puppy. So we're going to start right here at the bottom of the head, and we're going to do a curved line over and stop right there. And we're going to go over to this side, and we're going to do a curved line over and stop right there. Okay, now let's do the tag on the collar. And this is just going to be a little looping line like that, and then a circle here. Like that. Okay, now let's do the body. We'll start by drawing the front legs here. So starting on this side of the collar, we're just going to do a curving line down like that. And we'll draw the foot attached to that, or the paw. And it's just a curved line. And then it kind of goes back up like this. And let's do the same on the other side. So starting on this side of the collar, we're going to do a curved line down like this. And then we'll do the paw like this, coming around. And then it's a curved line back up like that. Okay, now let's do some toes on this puppy. So we'll just do two lines like that. And two here, like that. And now we'll do the back legs. So starting about halfway down on the side of the front legs, we're going to just do a curved line out like this. And stop right about there. And then we'll do the back paw, and that's just kind of a C-shaped line like this. And we'll do our puppy toes like that. And let's do the other back leg. So starting right about here, it's just a curved line like that. And then the back paw like that. And some puppy toes. And no puppy is complete without a furry tail. So let's do the back tail here. It's starting about there. We go curve up and we curve back down like that. Wow! I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. I'm gonna make my puppy a light brown color, almost like a beige yellow color. But you can make your puppy any color you want. Let's make the collar green, and we'll make the tag silver or gray. Don't forget the tongue. We'll make that pink. And remember, every artist signs their doodle. Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.